All right, here is a room tour of 9786, our cabin for the week here. Here's what it looks like, pretty roomy. You got your lots of shelf space, a lot of shelves and a safe. You've got 20 hangers, which is nice. Lots of space if you want to, if you want to bring more, you can bring more hangers. And I don't know what that bar is for, but maybe to dry something. You got your little side tables, and you have a one USB charging port there. You have a little night light, reading light, and a regular light. And right by your bed is your switches for the room. So, which is nice because you always forget to turn off the light switches, and then you get in bed and you remember you need to turn that off. So there you go. Another side table over here. This side is a little smaller than the other side, but still nice to have. Here's the couch slash extra bed in case you have a third person in your room. You have your TV and all your little menus and things, and your phone. And you have 3 regular plugs and international plug, and this is a light switch right here. But this is nice, you have a shelf to put things, and of course your coffee station and your refrigerator down here. It comes stocked with stuff that you would pay for if you drank, but you could always take that out and not use it. It also comes with a hair dryer. It's not the best, but it's okay. It's decent. All right, let's go to the balcony. This room, actually, I'm sorry for the noise. We're in Miami right now and they're doing construction, so I will try not to talk a lot, but this is it's a corner in this room. This is what it looks like here. They brought us a 3rd chair, but normally you only have 2. And this is your view from the side. See a little extra space. Very roomy. So here's the view from this side. It's a great room. They have the room darkening shade that really does well. So there you go. That is room 9786. So hope you enjoy your room. We did. It was awesome. And have a great cruise. Oh, the bathroom. Almost forgot. Here's the bathroom. Shower actually is really roomy. I'm going to step in here. I'll show you. See? Even if you close the door, really roomy. You got your shampoo and your body wash, and a nice shower, and a hanging wire. And here's your sink. Really nice to have shelf space. You can take these towels off and put your things there. More shelves down here, and here's where your garbage is. More shelves for space. Some glasses, and then they give you hand soap. It's decent hand soap. If you want to bring your own, you could do that too. So they always have hooks in the bathroom, and then hooks by the door. These come in your room, so you can just attach that. And your door is magnetic, so you could put things on your door. Your walls are magnetic. So there you go. There is our room. Happy cruising.